Are you tired of Facebook constantly running in the background on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to force stop Facebook using the new update. First, press the Ctrl plus Shift plus S hotkeys to open the task manager. This will give you a list of all the processes running on your computer. Next, scroll down and find all the browser-related services that are associated with Facebook. These may include Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Click on each of these services to select them. Then, click on the End Task button located at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. This will immediately force stop Facebook and any associated services from running on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily stop Facebook from hogging resources on your computer and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. So, next time you want to take a Facebook break, remember these quick and easy tips to force stop Facebook on your PC.